Washington homeowners experience some of the most noticeable seasonal transitions in the country. Cool, rainy springs shift into warm summers, followed by crisp autumn days and cold, damp winters. With constant temperature and moisture changes, your windows must adapt throughout the year. That's why double-hung windows remain a practical and dependable choice for homes across Washington. Designed with both upper and lower operable sashes, double-hung windows offer flexibility, energy efficiency, and durability, making them especially well-suited for Washington's changing climate. Adapting to cool, wet winters. Winter in Washington often brings steady rain, gray skies, and chilly temperatures. During this season, insulation becomes a top priority. Modern double-hung windows are built with features that help retain warmth and prevent drafts. Energy-efficient models include double or triple pane insulated glass, low E, low emissivity coatings, argon gas between panes, compression, weather stripping. These components reduce heat transfer and help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Tight seals prevent cold air infiltration, which is especially important when winds and damp conditions persist. Properly installed double-hung windows also help manage condensation by minimizing temperature differences between interior and exterior surfaces. Managing spring and fall temperature swings. Seasonal transitions in Washington can bring fluctuating temperatures within a single day. Cool mornings may turn into mild afternoons, requiring flexible ventilation options. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is their adjustable airflow. Both the upper and lower sashes can open, allowing homeowners to control air circulation. Opening the top sash allows warm air, which naturally rises, to escape. Opening the bottom sash draws in cooler, fresh air. This creates natural convection ventilation, improving comfort without over-relying on HVAC systems. During transitional months, this flexibility supports energy savings and better indoor air quality. Handling humidity and rain. Washington's damp climate demands windows that resist moisture-related issues. Modern double-hung windows feature durable vinyl or fiberglass frames that resist warping, swelling, and rot. Additionally, quality designs include sloped sills to direct water away, weather-resistant seals, proper drainage systems. These features prevent water infiltration and protect your home's structure during rainy seasons. Regular inspection of caulking and weather stripping ensures continued protection against moisture. Performing in warm summer months. While Washington summers are generally mild compared to other regions, sunny days can still raise indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient double-hung windows with low E coatings help reflect solar heat while allowing natural light to enter. This helps keep rooms cooler and reduces the strain on air conditioning systems. During pleasant summer evenings, opening both sashes provides excellent airflow, allowing you to enjoy fresh air comfortably. Durability through seasonal expansion and contraction. Washington's climate shifts can cause building materials to expand and contract. High-quality double-hung windows are engineered to handle these changes without losing alignment or seal integrity. Multi-chambered frames and reinforced construction ensure that the windows maintain smooth operation year-round. This durability protects long-term energy performance. Easy maintenance for long-term performance. Many modern double-hung windows include tilt-in sashes, allowing homeowners to clean both sides of the glass from inside the home. This is especially convenient during rainy or colder seasons. Routine cleaning, seal inspections, and occasional weather stripping replacement help maintain efficiency across every season. A reliable choice for Washington homes. Double-hung windows provide a balanced combination of insulation, ventilation, and durability, making them an ideal fit for Washington's seasonal transitions. From blocking winter drafts to providing natural ventilation in spring and summer, they adapt to changing conditions with ease. When built with energy-efficient materials and professionally installed, double-hung windows deliver year-round comfort and long-lasting performance. For Washington homeowners seeking a window style that performs beautifully in every season, double-hung windows remain a dependable and practical solution.